The state of Meghalaya have within 2 days lost two of its most noteworthy and veteran poets and singers, adding to the weight of the loss of many precious lives lost due to COVID and other illnesses. The two poets and singers, Uma Pade and Ba Rana, as they are fondly known, have given us many wonderful and memorable melodies such as Ime Ipa and Jadu Ayusha, Ngalong Tang Unong Billa, Tiokula Babonrong. They have both in their own ways pioneered and given shape to their own brand of music and songs which have captivated and stirred many during their heyday. Some of their songs have gone to remain classics in their own rights, marking the age and the Shillong of their times. It may be noted here that the late Rana Kharkongor had won awards such as the Meghalaya State Award, Utirot Singh Awards for Arts and Literature.
Imat kadang-kadang ban kenangan kuat ban teguh ngambang balai nikah jiran balai ngap imat kadang-kadang Snow hangam ha Snow si ngam kuat